Electric fan. Electric fan is an air-moving machine used to cool with an AC motor connected to the 60 Hz power source, which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy in order to generate a moving air.
So this is our electric fan. For today, we will identify the basic parts and the internal parts of this electric fan. So first, this is what we call the guard mark. Guard mark, it is the logo of the manufacturer of the electric fan, which is mounted at the center of the front guard. Front guard, it is a protective metal mesh wire used to prevent the fan blade from any physical contact with foreign objects. So this one is what we call the lock. The blade. The blade is a propeller made of plastics or metal attached to the motor shaft and agitates air when the motor rotates. This one is also called the lock. This one is the back guard. So, inner pipe. It is a metal tube inserted into the outer tube intended for the proper height adjustment of the electric fan. So this is the switch box. Switch box is a panel board for the controls of the electric fan.
Pakita natin yung pagdidisasin.
Hindi ko na kayo papakita.
So we will untighten the screws for us to see the parts inside this electric fan. So this is the AC motor of our electric fan. AC motor, it converts AC electrical energy into mechanical energy, producing a mechanical rotary action that performs some kind of work. So we will untighten the different screws for us to identify the different parts inside our motor.
So first, this is what we call the capacitor. The capacitor is,
It is a device used to boost the voltage to a motor.
so we will remove the screws of the motor.
So this is the rotor of our electric fan. Rotor. It is the part of an electric fan that turns or rotates. So this is the shaft. Shaft. It is a part of a rotor that carries other rotating members and that is supported by bearings in which it can rotate.
So this is the stator. It is the stationary part of the motor which the field windings are placed. These are the field windings.
So the windings, it is an assembly of coils designed to act in concert to produce a magnetic flux field or to link a flux field.
This is what we call the laminates, the magnets inside in our stator.
Lastly, the bushing. It is a sleeve protecting a conductor where it passes through a hole in a motor. Now, we will assemble the different parts of our electric fan.
So, tighten all the 4 screws of the motor. Then, put it back on the body.
So the next one is we will return this one. So we will tighten the screws. So the next one is the back guard.
We will lock it.
So after returning the lock, we will return also the blade.
Then, to secure the blade, we will lock it. Just tighten the lock so that the blade will be secured.
So lastly, we will assemble its front guard. So these are the basic and internal parts of an electric fan.
And that's the way we disassemble and assemble the electric fan.